Hello there, boys and girls. Today we'll be building my new computer. Right away as we get into it, we have our i5 core processor, SSD 120 gigs, and Fury HyperX RAM, 8 gigs of it to be exact. Our motherboard will be a gigabyte ultra durable motherboard. We got our Corsair liquid cooler. Next we have our power supply from Corsair also. And last but not least, our case from Next. Right away as we get into it, we'll find that we are measuring where to put our Corsair cooler for the CPU. Next, we will be sticking in our motherboard right here. Screwing in the motherboard wasn't that hard, but it did take a little bit. And now we will be sticking in the Corsair cooler. We decided to move it because it did not fit in the position we originally wanted to, but it all worked out in the end. Eventually we got it attached, and the next part was to stick in that power supply of ours. After some cable management, we finally were able to stick in our Fury HyperX 8 gigs of RAM. Last but not least, we are measuring for our SSD right here, 128 gigs to be exact, and the video card that I have is not shown in this video, but it's just a normal AMD video cards from my old computer. We are planning on getting a new one. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you in the next one.